Rebound 16.
Sunod! Sabay!
Defensive rebound 29. 16 2 points. Assist 29.
Assist. Cartlega. Hindi na ano siya.
Rebound 16.
Dalawa!
Rebound 25. Rebound 59. Assist number 9. Ten second shot clock. 5 second shot clock.
Nice, Rob!
Defensive rebound 8 2 points.
Points. Defensive rebound.
Defensive foul. Substitution number 25. Substitution.
Ball.
Huli.
Rebound 15.
Ay!
Defensive rebound 9. 9 2 points.
Open!
10 second shot clock. 0 2 points.
Zero.
Rebound 16. Foul number 24.
Foul down.
Stop!
Substitution. Substitution. Last foul number 34.
Second foul ba? Ilan pa tayo? Tatlo, boss. Tatlo pa? Tatlo. Saba!
Rebound 15. Foul number 16.
Number 16, pre.
Substitution.
David. Second, David.
Ito, di Padmo.
Oo nga, Di Padua. David. David Di Padua. Second. Pangalan niya yun, David.
Ten second shot clock.
Foul.
Foul number 29.
29. Third na, 29.
Third foul number 29. Third foul. Rebound 8.
Rebound.
10 seconds shot clock.
3.
3, number 8. Assist 0. Nine to points.
Pagod na kayo.
Ten seconds shot clock. To quarter 8.
Foul.
Foul 0.
0.
Substitution. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty.
First foul pa lang. Reyes.
First foul 0. Rebound 0. 32 points, assist 0. Nine to points.
Time mo 3 kayo, boss, ha? Time mo 3 kayo. Sige, sila na. Mas kailangan nyo yan.
10 seconds shot clock.
Time out na.
Time out, Team Remby. Last ball number 34.
Tatlo na. Time out sa'yo.
Third ball number 34, third foul.
Time out mo. Time out. Oo.
Ba't ka nandibig sa'yo penalty kami? Oo, kaya ang penalty, boss, kayo. Sila tatlo pa lang. Penalty sila, di ba? Penalty blue. Yung blue ang penalty, yung blue. Ha? Apat. Apat. Hindi ko pa nakikita yung moves mo. Kasi binabantay mo eh.
Second pa lang.
Inaantay ko yung dislodging moves na ayaw ipakita.
Defensively ball number 2.
Wow.
3.
Tampok.
Boss, galing sa basket, 3 points. Under yung oras.
Steal number 9. Defensively ball number 9, 2 points.
Tatakbo yan, boss. Tatakbo. Galing sa basket. Galing sa basket yun. Wala naman dead ball. Galing sa basket. Kahabol kasi. Yan, nag-ano sila eh.
Ten seconds shot clock, steal 15.
This foul.
Foul. Number 16, penalty.
Padua. David. Tatlo na pre.
Third foul, number 16. Rebound 0. Last 2 minutes.
Counted.
Foul number 15.
Uncounted.
Kayo 50. Tingin mo na. Para announce ko na.
Okay, okay. Matama.
Winding for penalty, winding for penalty, winding for penalty. Third foul.
Third foul.
Alam, panonoorin mo ito eh.
Ano niya?
10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Still. Rebound number 8.
Panalo.
10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock.
Foul si Marvin.
Foul number 15. Fourth person, foul, warning for foul down, penalty, both teams. Substitution.
Pasok sa boss. Pasok na.
Pasok sab. Outrigger.
Time out. Team ready.
Walang 14 kaya 24 pa rin. 24 pa rin.
nila eh, ganun pa rin, 24.
Wala, di na
Kahit hindi natanong
Hindi naman po 14 eh.
dapat i-update na nila yun.
Ayaw na pa-update tayo na. Ayaw nag-master, mahal daw.
Magkano raw pa-update?
Mahal din yan.
Pwede bumili ka na ng
Okay yan. Bili ka na ng bago kasi
Hindi,
upgrade.
14 yung bago eh.
Oh, kaya gusto mo ka-upgrade ka 5,000. Hindi dagdag ka, so bago na lang. Gagamit pa nila.
O kaya gawa na lang sila ng ano. Yung isang nakahiwalay yung shot lock, kaya lang, mahirap sa timer.
Nakahiwalay.
Uh, 5% na lang.
Rebound steal.
Ang walang foul.
Walang foul. Rest.
Personal rebound number 2.
Ay! Beat.
35 seconds.
Rest.
Out of bounds.
Talo pa.
21 seconds.
Leto kasi sila.
20.
Leto.
10 second shot clock. 15 seconds. 5-second shot clock. Shot clock violation. 5 seconds.
Tres.